design this isometric view. At first, we take a new document, AutoCAD, just open. This is 3D modeling view. This length 96 inch and width 64 inch. So we take a line, press on your keyboard 96, then press enter. Again enter, zoom out. This is UCS icon. Move here. Again line tools. Click here 64. Then press enter. Again 96, press enter. And again close. Now this is a depth here, this point to this point, length 16 inch, and this point the width 16 inch and height 20 inch. So again take line tools, click here, we press TK, we use TK command, then press enter, and we're going to 16 inch, press 16, then press enter. Sorry, again line tools, TK, right TK, then press enter. Now we click first point, then press 16, enter. Now this length is 16, then again press enter, and length 20 inch, right 20, then press enter. Again this length 16, press enter. Again this length 20 inch, press enter. Again press enter. Now this point and this line length 20. Again this is a circle. Now we start 2-point circle command. Press here again this 2-point circle. Now we use trim command. This is trim. Select all object, press enter. We trim this object, escape button for exit. Now select this line and delete. And this is a top view. Click here and we go to AC isometric view. Select all object, modify command, join. Now this object is joined. Now we transfer this object, extrude, click this object, select this object, then press enter. Now extrude this height 16 inch. Now write on your keyboard 16, then press enter. Now this is 2D wireframe mode. This conceptual mode. Again we're going to 2D wireframe mode. Again this object length 64 and height 48 inch and width 16 inch. Now we draw it. Line tool, 64, press right 64, then press enter. 16, press enter. 64, press enter and close. Again we join all object. This is join. Now again extrude, select this object, then press enter and write 48, then press enter. Now this is a fillet, this fillet radius 32. Now we select fillet, we use fillet command, sorry, please excuse me. Okay, again we use fillet tool, this is fillet tools. Click here for fillet, and now this is fillet. Select fillet, select first object or radius. We type R, write R, and then press enter. Now a specific radius 32, then press enter. Now select object, click here and click here. Press then enter, press enter. This is filleted. Now yes, this is complete. Now we move it. We use move command, this is move command, and select this object, press enter and click here and object here. Again isometric view, then again we go to 2D wireframe mode. Again this isometric view is height 28, length 40. Now we need calculator app. This length 22, total length 64, minus this length 22, 42. This length 42, width 40. Now we write again line tool, 40, press enter, 42, then press enter, 40, press enter, and now close. Please join, modify, and then join. If you press join button, this is jointed. Now extrude, click this, select this object, press enter. Is height 28, this height. This is a half circle, and its length here is here to here, this point to this point, the length 8 inch, and circle dia 24. Now we use this line command, and we use TK command, write TK, then press enter and click first point, sorry, use line command, line 8, press enter, press enter again, 24, again center and radius, sorry, again we take a line tool, click here and click enter and line tools. So press shift button and press shift button and then press right mouse key, then press midpoint. This is midpoint. Click here, sorry, our we need to change our direction, z direction, and click here and change direction. Now select circle tool, press shift key and right button mouse, then midpoint, click here, and the circle dia is 12. Delete this line, and now pressful, we use pressful tool. Sorry, now we use a trim command. At first delete this, and we use trim command. Select this line, press enter. Sorry, delete this line. 2D wireframe mode, conceptual mode, mm, 2D wireframe mode. Firstly, we move this, select. Now move this circle, line tools, 8, total length 42 minus 8. Use calculator. 42 minus 8, 34. Now we draw a line 34. Press enter. Now we move tools, use move tools, select this object, click here right button, and press shift key, and then press right mouse key, and then select midpoint, click here. Then we use pressful tool, and then select this boundary, click here, and this pressful. Now exit button, 2D wireframe mode, we go to conceptual mode. Yes, now 2D wireframe mode again, select this circle and delete. Now we use line tool again, line tool, click this point, this is a triangle, then press enter, and we need to join this triangle. Select this line and modify join, then again extrude. Select this object, press enter. This is extrude this length 22, press 22, then press enter. Now conceptual mode or realistic mode, this is our isometric view, and thank you.